When you're performing tests in JavaScript, you'll often be using operators to test one value against another. Now, these are the common comparison operators: equal, strict equal, not equal, strict not equal, greater than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Now I need to explain a bit about the strict operators. The JavaScript test for equality equals equals returns true when two values appear to be the same when they're converted to the same data type. For example, testing the integer 1 against the string 1, like this, evaluates to true. But if you want to test that both values are of the same types, use the strict equals operator, equals, equals, equals. And the same goes for not equal, exclamation point, equals. That's probably easier to see in action, so let's look at this sample program, comparison operators.html. And here's the output. First of all, I test the integer 1 equals 1. Well, obviously, that's true. Then I test a string 1 equals an integer 1. And perhaps surprisingly, that also evaluates to true, because JavaScript, using the equals equals comparison, considers that 1 as a string and 1 as an integer can be regarded as the same thing. Here I use the 3 equals test. This is the strict equal operator. Well, integer 1 equals 1 using this test, again true. But look, here I've compared the string 1 using equals 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 with the integer 1, and unlike the other test, which only had 2 equals, this one evaluates to false. It requires that the values on both sides of the operator are of the same type, and that's an important distinction. Now, not equals, well, here string 1 is not equal to the integer 1. That returns false. It considers them to be equal to one another with this operator. But now I do the same test with the strict operator, the strict not equals operator. This time it returns true because it considers the string 1 to be different. It's a different data type from the integer 1. So the string 1 is not equal indeed to the integer 1. Then the other tests are fairly straightforward. 5 is greater than 1, that's true. 5 is less than 5, that's false. 5 is greater or equal to 5, well, that's true because it's equal. 5 is less than or equal to 5, and that's also true. So just take a look at this sample document, comparison operators.html, to understand the basic usage of the operators available.